gonna put the match lights out. That would normally happen on the grill.
Let me introduce you to the Orion Cooker Grill. It is a revolutionary way of grilling and cooking and smoking your meat. It is a very easy 3-step process that anybody can do, and we're going to show you, along with my cousin John, exactly what does the Orion Cooker Smoker Grill do.
Alright, so you want to get your meat, put your meat inside the grill. This is different. Alright, so step 1, you want to put the chicken on the racks. You could put like 2-3 racks in here. You got the season, the chicken season, and we're going to show you the next one.
You don't have to do this, but easy clean.
Yeah.
Easy clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the meat don't stick to it. That's the important thing. The meat won't stick.
It's all around the edges. We'll waste no time. Alright, so after step 1, you load all the chicken. Step 2 gonna be getting the coals in this pan around the grill. Stay tuned.
What?
Make sure you put a little bit of that instant light in.
Oh yeah, man, you got no. We're gonna show you though. Oh man, no. Oh no, it don't matter what you use now. This ain't gonna matter what. Yeah, I'm gonna see what we got. You gotta be loud, yo. I like it. I know what I like though. I know what I like.
But you carry me. That kind of money.
I'm through, dog.
The Orion Grill. That's all it is to it. Once you put the coals on it, you light all this stuff, you got them racks of meat in there. What's next?
Wait on the TV.
Yes, tell you.
Oh, dirt bomb.
Yeah. Yeah, he got all that. See, that's what I'm gonna do is get the plate ready. Maybe we bring something out of the tongs off the handles, you know. Heat free. Look at that. No gloves. Heat free. Boom. What you think? You ready? We can keep going now.
Well, they need to keep going.
Huh? Just know they're about to seal. Okay, you thing back up. No. You know what I'm saying?
Say that one more time.
Cool free handles.
Cool free handles. Pull them off. And you got your meat right on. You better check this out right here.
You do a tone.
Oh my gosh!
Stand up. Huh? All right. Sample them out there. Free. Free. The only thing though, you bust the seal. Let the heat out. I'm watching it. I ain't gonna let them go.
You bust the seal and you let your heat out.
They gonna put the match lights out. That would normally happen on the grill. All right, man. You want to make that yeah, man. That's I like it. I went to the like one. What's it look like? Man, she look good. Okay, man, I saw one day. What's the little? Easy, almost good. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. It's been a long time ago. No, she did look good. She look better. What time? Now, right there, got a little bit too. He's when that photo, they like, me screaming. You got a young kid, too. Huh? Right now. Young, like 6, 7, something like that. She probably had one, she was 41. What the hell? Look at it. It's still ready. I'm going to put something back on. Everything pretty good. Let's go ahead and